Our strategy was to build the services part of the business, use the revenues from services to invest into R&D and build out the product.
What's going to even make us more powerful and unique if we could have both. If we could have this product and we could actually have the services. I think we were visionaries. We could see where we thought industry was going.
The unique thing about our organization is we are both a services and a technology company. So we get a lot of feedback to implement into the product based on our own use of the product from the services perspective.
Working with the product team and Sam and Raj, really for them to understand what was our wish list, what was it that we really needed, what would make our jobs easier, as well as our clients, so that we could be able to deliver faster to our clients.
From the sales perspective, or from meetings and from prospecting, meeting with clients, we would funnel this information in. And we would just try to overload the engineering and the product team with ideas. And then based on basically feedback that what's really needed, plus with the balance of what our own team needed, our data managers needed within the product to help them do their jobs more effectively, they started narrowing down what would be the key features to really build out in the product.
Raj and Bob and Sam and the team that built the product really took the they took the stance of trying to make it an end-to-end product. So they wanted to take a look at kind of the data life cycle, from ingestion from all these different various sources to centralization, harmonization, and then ultimately this end user experience through analytics and different modules. So they built the core platform with that in mind.
One of the reasons we've been quite successful in realizing this vision is we have a dynamic and extremely talented engineering team, and also I would say product team, right? Overall R&D.
We clearly have a first-in-class product.
We can solve problems very quickly. We have brilliant minds that are able to implement these incredible visions that we get from Raj and the other leadership.
Our software platform, Illuminate, now feels like a part of my life. It almost feels like a part of a family. I think the highest point, not just in the journey of building Illuminate and working here, it's probably one of the highest points of my whole life, is hearing from our client how our technology helped them expedite some of their clinical trial and end up saving lives. There is nothing else that beat that feeling.
Now every study that we have is now in the Illuminate platform. We've evolved our processes around the platform, not the other way around, right? So, as the platform evolves, we look at how we're doing things and we evolve our process to be more efficient. And we're just on a continuous improvement journey looking for other ways that we can leverage the tool to make our jobs easier and quicker for our clients.
Just the evolution, to see us be starting at 12 people 10 years ago and where we are now. And to think about how such a small group did big things in 10 years is amazing for me.
By getting all the feedback from clients, we have a customer advisory board. They advise us on things we do. We have a roadmap that we socialize, we work on. We involve our data management teams, biostats teams, the project managers. Everyone has a say into where we should go.
We've got people who come from the industry, former BMS employees, who've been on the other side, if you will, and who help us meet the client's needs because they know what the client's needs are. They were clients.
We slowly have scaled up over the past 6 years.
Well, we've grown like crazy. It's a very dynamic environment, but you can see that there's purpose behind it.
When I started at eClinical, I started with on Illuminate Services team. Funny thing is, we were just 2 people. So 2 people in US and we had a team in India. I think there were three people in India. But now just in US we are 21.
I think I was employee number 4 in data management. In the US, we're up over 45 people.
We're over 30 people between engineers, QA, IT, not even counting product managers. So we grew significantly, but we still need a lot more people. We have very ambitious goals to accomplish, and we need to hire a lot more smart people to help reach those goals.